If you're a small YouTuber and your channel is not growing, please avoid these 5 mistakes I'm about to share with you now, because these are mistakes that I made when I started my YouTube channel and it didn't help me at all. You know something, these mistakes are very silly because it is very easy to avoid, but then my experience was very low. I was making these mistakes and they were hurting my YouTube channel. Okay, so I want to share them with you so that you can learn from it now. So the first mistake that is hurting a lot of small channels, ruining a lot of small channels, is that what most small channels do is that they think about the idea of the video, they film their video, they upload their video, and then they will now think about their title and thumbnail. Now, if this is what you have been doing, it is wrong and you need to put a stop to it today. It is wrong. Most small YouTubers film their video before thinking about their title and thumbnail. This is a wrong approach. Now, the best thing to do is that you need to first of all think about your idea and then generate your title and your thumbnail before you go ahead to film the video. Now, before filming this video you are watching right now, my title is ready, my thumbnail is ready. Now, the reason you have to do this is that your title and your thumbnail is what makes people click on your video. Okay, your title and your thumbnail gives a promise to the viewer. Okay, so when your title and your thumbnail is already prepared and ready and you have an idea about it, it will guide you to film your video. Also, if your title and thumbnail is ready and already prepared, or you have an idea about it, it helps you to hook your audience within the first 30 seconds of your video, because within the first 30 seconds of your video you are going to make mention of the words in your title, you are going to make mention of the words in your thumbnail. So imagine you don't have your thumbnail and your title ready and you are filming the video. How are you going to do your first 30 seconds? How are you going to hook your audience for them to watch the rest of your video? You get me? You need to film your video around the title and the thumbnail. You understand? In order to deliver the promise to the viewer. So if you are not doing this and you feel that you are guilty of this, I want you to, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, I won't blame you so much. Maybe you don't know, but I'm telling you today, because myself, I didn't know until I watched a video from one of the content creators here on YouTube. He's called Victor Smith. That was my first time hearing something like that. That, before you film your video, your title and your thumbnail should be prepared. It should be ready. That time I was new to YouTube, so I didn't, really understand what he was saying. You understand? But then since I started, implementing this, and it has actually helped me. Yes, I'm not gonna lie to you, that's really, really helped me. Okay. Now the second mistake most small YouTubers are doing is that they prioritize quantity over quality. Yes, most small YouTubers are, publishing a lot of videos within a week instead of publishing quality videos within the week. This is because of we've been saying, consistency is key. Keep on posting, keep on posting. Yes, that is fine. You need to keep on posting, but then there's no need posting if you cannot provide value in your content. Okay, there are people who post about 3 videos per day and yet they are not seeing any result on their channel. This is because you are just posting a lot of videos, but then you are not providing value, you are not providing quality. Okay, so instead of producing 3 poor videos per day, you can produce 3 videos per week, which is of high quality. Imagine someone new comes to your channel, okay, and then they go through your videos and they realize that you have a lot of videos, but then the quality is not there. You are not providing much value because you just want to be consistent. You just want the algorithm to, identify you. Do you think such a person is, going to subscribe to your channel? No. But if someone comes to your channel and you have few videos, but then the videos are of high quality, you are going to get a subscriber. You understand? The person is, going to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so always make sure that you are producing high quality content over quantity. Okay, even if you produce 1 video per week and the video is of high quality, it is better than producing 7 videos per week with low quality. Forget about posting consistently. Posting consistently is very good and I preach for that, but then make sure that videos you are producing are of high quality. Make sure that the video will change someone's life. Make sure that the video is something that will, solve the problem of someone. Don't bring videos here. That is not going to solve problem. Okay, YouTube is a search engine. People come here to get their problem solved. People come here to get entertained. So make sure that your video is doing one of these things. Now the third mistake ruining small channels is that most small channels are underestimating the power of engagement. There are a lot of small channels who are not engaging with their audience in the comment section. Okay, whether you get 5 comments, you get 10 comments, you get even 2 comments, you need to make sure that you reply those comments. Okay, the more you reply the comments, the more it creates engagement. Okay, and the YouTube algorithm loves a lot of engagements. At a small YouTube channel, you don't have any excuse to reply comments. You understand? Because your comments are usually 20, 30, 50. They are not many. You understand? Now let me show you something. Imagine you have 10 comments. When you reply all, it becomes what? 20. If you have 20 comments, if you reply all, it becomes what? 40. You get me? So once the comments are increasing, it is telling the algorithm that okay, people are engaging on this channel, so we should try and recommend the video. That is how it works. And now the final and biggest mistake most small YouTube channels are doing is that they are getting obsessed with the metrics they've been seeing on their YouTube studio. You understand? Look, I talked about this in my recent video. The YouTube studio app is very good, but then as a small YouTuber, you shouldn't be worried so much about those metrics there. You understand? Later you get worried about the metrics in your YouTube studio, it is going to make you create videos that will generate views without building an audience. You understand? Now, YouTube is a long-term project. Okay, see YouTube as a long-term project. You understand? Not a short-term project. So for short-term projects, you can create videos that will bring a lot of views, but then you will not build any true audience for your channel. You understand? But then if you want to build a long-term project, you need to create videos that will bring you views, and also that will bring you audience, that will make your audience love you. They will keep on coming to your channel. By doing that, you are building a long-term project. Okay, so the mistake is that if you follow your analytics too much, you'll be seeing the low views. What will come into your mind is that let me create video that will give me a lot of views. You understand? And these videos may not be even quality. Of course, they will give you the views, but then you are not going to build any true audience. You get me? There are a lot of small YouTubers who refresh their YouTube studio almost every 30 seconds. Yes, myself, I'm one of them. You understand? But then I am trying to change, okay, and I want to share them with you. All right, so guys, this is what I want to share with you. If you found value in this video, why don't you subscribe to this channel, because I will bring you more content like this. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.